welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set the toggle streamer mode keyboard shortcut or keybind for your Discord user. So we're going to go into our user settings down here at the bottom and then go into keybinds. All right, and then on the keybind page, let's click add a keybind. And then we can go ahead and choose which one we want to do, which is toggle streamer mode. All right, now let's go ahead and think about what we want that keybind to be. For me, I'm going to have it be Command F. So let's go ahead and record that. So I'm going to hit record and then do Command F. Command F. All right, there we go. That's pretty much how you go ahead and toggle on your streamer mode. If you wanted to get rid of it, you just hover over it and click the red X. If you wanted to toggle it off for a little while, you could go ahead and click that green one and then toggle it back on, and it should change color when you do that as well. But I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more Discord tutorials in the description down below.